what's up guys? Just wanted to do a really quick video about the new MMI Plus system that has the touchscreen on it. I know a lot of people are super interested in it right now. Basically the entire Audi lineup is starting to move towards the touchscreen. So I figured I'd just give you guys a really brief overview of it. Just kind of go through the settings real quickly. I know a lot of people want to get through this stuff quickly, so I'm gonna do that real fast. So let's get into it. So they have ditched the MMI jog wheel, I guess you would call it. We're getting away from that now. Audi has finally realized that I guess that the touchscreen is more intuitive and people really want that. So they're starting to move towards that. And here is a great example of it. We're in a brand new Q3 here in 2019, I believe is the model year. So we'll go ahead and just start off with the home screen here. You can see all the different options on it. It is touch sensitive, so when you actually touch the buttons, it gives you a little bit of a haptic feedback. So you can probably hear it when I'm hitting these buttons, that little click sound. So it kind of makes you think that, you know, you're actually touching it and you can kind of get the feedback from it. But it's very fluid, very smooth. I'm very impressed with it. So we'll just kind of walk through it here. So obviously you have your radio settings, which you just click here. This one does have satellite on it. We'll go ahead and turn that down. And if you want to scroll through the different channels, you can see how fluid and smooth it is. I'm so impressed with this. I really love the way that they did this. So you can see you have your different sources, manual tuning, last station, Sirius XM over here. Again, alerts, AM, FM, it's got all of that. So if you go back here, you see your stations again. Go back to the home screen. So when you go to media, source, basically you can plug in all your USB stuff. I don't know really how many people really use that anymore because basically everybody does everything on their phones, but you still have that option. So if you go back to the home screen here, your phone options, this is where it connects through the MMI system. This has nothing to do with your CarPlay or your Android Auto, but it's basically just for your Bluetooth settings for connecting to the car. Let's go back to home. Navigation, obviously you have a really nice navigation screen here. This one does have Google Maps on it, and you can pinch to zoom. It's absolutely incredible how smooth it is. It's very fast, very impressive. Absolutely love this. There's a bunch of settings over here. Kind of go through these. Turn the satellite map on and off. Colors, shows traffic. Most of them do that now, so it does include that. Voice guidance, route criteria. You can turn off, you know, tolls, all that kind of stuff. So you do have that option. Phone apps. This is where you get into the CarPlay and Android Auto. Basically, as soon as you plug in your phone to the system, it'll connect and you'll be able to use your CarPlay interface or your Android Auto. Vehicle settings, you have your drive select. Obviously we're in the brand new Q3, so you can see that there. You have off-road settings, comfort, auto, dynamic, and an individual where you can set all the different settings to what you want. Shortcuts, I believe you can just add different things in here. You have additional settings. This is more towards like your general, your screen settings, brightness, all that kind of stuff. Display and brightness, sound settings. Help user messages. If you aren't using the MMI system for, you know, CarPlay and all that kind of stuff, you can use your messages through here. I'm not really sure how many people are really using that anymore, but you do have that option. News, if you subscribe to the service, you would get that here. There is a monthly charge for that, same for the weather. So that's included as well. So that's basically everything there is to the new MMI Plus system that all the Audis are coming with, or I should say that they're starting to incorporate into their vehicles. See, there's a couple quick settings over here, phone. But yeah, that's everything. So there you guys have it. I just wanted to do a really quick video about the new MMI Plus system. I know a lot of people are really interested in it. If you have any questions or anything, be sure to drop them down below and I'll answer them for you. I want to thank Audi of Westchester, PA for allowing me to come up here and take a look at the vehicles that they have on the lot. I especially want to thank Dnovak for allowing me to do this. He invited me up to do all this this cool stuff with these Audi vehicles, so I want to thank him. If you're looking for a vehicle or a Audi, you know, in the Pennsylvania area, new, pre-owned, whatever it might be sure to reach out to him. He's a Audi enthusiast just like the rest of us that are on this channel, and I'll put his information down in the comments or the description area below. So I thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to reflect and never settle.